Here is my Lego Technic Jaguar F-Type. The hood can open by disconnecting these pins. Reveals stuff like an engine, a V8. The doors also open, but they have a little lock. There's steering using a power function servo motor, and with a working steering wheel. A full independent double wishbone suspension. See there, and there. It is all-wheel drive using two power functions large motors. Here's the micro V8 piston engine. Here's the proof of the all-wheel drive. There's a detailed interior with adjustable seats. And a rear speed indicator, which you can see working here. And gear shift, the working steering wheel I showed earlier. Just some general detail. Here's the gearbox design. Shaking up 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8. And down again. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Fifth gear. Seventh. Eighth gear. There's also an adjustable suspension system using this medium motor, a lot of gears, and 4 small linear actuators. And it's pretty high, and now I'll start lowering. It does take a bit. Now it's pretty well at the bottom. The clutch is on your actuator slipping now. See how low it is now? I'm quite pleased with this car and how I managed to get pretty good looks, a good interior, and good functions in a very small car. The issues though were that the front hood was pretty floppy, as were the front headlights. And then the battery box was hardly connected because it was so low placed in the body in order to fit everything. And also the on-off switch didn't work very well. But other than that, it was quite an enjoyable car, and yeah, I'm happy I could make it so functional.